The sound of Ducati. Should we get a coffee? Cheers, mate. You got silver here, obviously that's an extension from the tank, yeah? So we got this tank cover guard from Evotech. It's quality stuff, pretty light as well. It's gonna go in there. This already looks so much better. Just black out as much silver as possible. Then we got the radiator guard from Evotech. It's 2 pieces. See them? Also very light. It's got, if you want these, I highly recommend it. I got them on H2 as well. So get in touch with Bob FWR or Charlie. They can even order you the part and you get them fixed in here. But this literally can save you from buying a new radiator, which is very expensive. There's just 4 bolts here.
Yeah, mate.
Come on. Looks so much better now. You have to take the side panels off here.
I think so. Mind your back.
So we run all the way big this. So how'd you like Spanish music, Charlie?
Yeah, I love it. Really good, man. Really good.
How many bolts is in there?
Lots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right at the bottom. Jeez. Look at the exhaust, all on blue. These mirrors, the OEM, they're so shaky. You can't see anything. Pretty useless. It's got these really tiny indicators. They're very bright. It goes to this bracket, and this bracket is going to get installed inside, and it sticks out. That'll be the indicators. Yeah. You want to see the mirrors on? Oh, let's see which size that. Cool. That. Look at that. You can see a big difference. That's not. The whole side needed to be stripped just to get this radiator cover on. Master mechanic Charlie doing his magic. These bikes are definitely not easy to work on. Yeah, this is a smart part. Cover this. How many brake you got on this? 200, yeah? 200, 200 brake. It's got full Aki exhaust system.
HP rear seats, HP wheels.
HP wheels, they're expensive and the light.
Brembo HPK discs. Brembo RCS. It's like mainly for track, so.
Yeah, you got the HP levers.
Yeah, on one side of the RCS.
These are expensive levers and they fold. I had to make fire, that's how you know. The Spanish way.
With no extinguishers.
The crack protector is gonna go in there. There you go, the plates and that in there. Look. You see kids, this is an easy job. You can do this at home. Very easy. I probably need 2 extra panels for the bikes because I want to see if I attempted to do this, I'll probably scratch all of these, yeah, break the panels before taking them out, take a few bolts, misplace them. That's what I should have touched. All the parts we're putting on today, I'm gonna list them on the description below on the video, and just click on the link and you can go get yourself those parts if you need it for your bike. But I recommend stuff like Evotech. Just call FWR, speak to Bob, he can order them in for you and just come here and install them. They know what they're doing. Charlie used to work for Ducati. Already look, now we've got both pieces on. You don't see the silver anymore behind it, you just block up all the silver. That's the look you want, because the whole bike being black, anything with silver, it just sticks out. They send us a wrong mirror. Wasted a lot of time. Need to go back to the same place that I bought them for the second time to get the correct part. It looks so much better without the mirrors.